All right, let's get ready for our second giveaway. So in honor of dehydrated meat, we are going to give away a bag of this Grazzy beef brisket slab. Does this not look delicious, you guys? I want a bag of this for myself. So this is just beef brisket. It's a whole pound of beef brisket that's dehydrated, and it is just seasoned with salt. So it's 100% carnivore. So for everybody that is just 100% carnivore out there, this is a great prize for you. Just beef and salt, 100% grass-fed and finished, you guys. It's going to be shipped straight from Amazon. All right, so we are going to be giving away a bag of this beef brisket slabs from Grazzy. Looks delicious. It is 100% grass-fed and finished. 2 ingredients only: beef brisket and salt. So great for the carnivores out there. This is a great gift for anybody. Great prize. I want to win it myself. I'm going to enter too, so hopefully I win. The giveaway is going to end on Monday, the 8th of December, 2025. So in order to win, you need to like the video, be subscribed, and comment down below the word carnivore. Share the video, you guys, with everybody so that they can have a chance to win as well, and we can spread the carnivore love and message of great health. Thank you, you guys. Now back to the video. Yum! My chicken chips are done. These are wonderful, you guys. 19 hours at 165 degrees. All right, y'all, my latest batch of chicken chips is done. Basically, it is just chicken breasts that I have dehydrated at 165 for 19 hours, and I have it down pat, you guys. I slice them up, and they are just crunchy as all get out. They are just like a little chip, and I love them. They're my go-to for my lunch lately. Everybody loves them. Everybody at work always is stopping by my desk asking if they can have some. And of course I let them, because let's spread the meat love all around. That sounded a little gross, but you know what I mean. And my latest obsession, you guys, slathering them with butter and just eating them like that. One day I even ate a whole stick of butter, just slathering these little bad boys up with the butter, and I'm not even sorry about it, you guys. I love them. They are delicious. You're not even going to believe it. Let me let you hear how crunchy they are. Just like a chip or a cracker. They're wonderful. Make these, take them to your next party, take them to your next gathering, eat them at your next party, or just eat them for whatever. I'm telling you what, they are perfect for lunch, because if you're busy and sometimes you work through your lunch or you're on the go, these are perfect. They're no mess, no hassle. If you guys don't have a dehydrator, I will link mine down below. It's a little bit expensive, but it's well worth it, because I'm telling you what, I was using my little dehydrator that worked perfect, but I was making tons of batches nonstop. And this one that I have is huge, and it's a one-stop shop, you guys. It is so big that I only have to make one batch, and I'm good for the whole week or two, depending on how many I eat. Make these, you will not be disappointed. All right, you guys, eat meat and stay healthy.